Observe the wreck of a fishing boat washed up on a beach in Donegal over 40 years ago. Bád Eddie has become an iconic feature in Gweedore. It's even appeared in Vogue magazine and in a music video by Clannad and Bono. Locals say it has to be preserved for the future of tourism in the area.
It came ashore in 1977 for minor repairs, but over 4 decades, Bád Eddie became an iconic structure on the beach in Gweedore.
The engine was never replaced, and she lay there for a week, she lay there for a few months, she lay there for a few years, and just gradually she became part of the landscape.
It's where every holidaymaker takes a photo and locals pose for weddings, holy communions, even christenings. But Bád Eddie has been disintegrating for years. This was it in 2012. The time has come to preserve what's left of it.
We put forward a very ambitious idea, and that is to have the first sculpture in a sea in Ireland. We plan to have a stainless steel replica, full size, of the boat in its better condition, and we have the support of Donegal County Council to do that.
A GoFundMe campaign was kick-started with a concert on the beach recently featuring some world-renowned musicians from the area.
A lot of artists have also given paintings and been in touch to donate paintings off the boat. And when it's safe to do so, we will have an auction.
We have to preserve it, because if this boat falls apart, there'll be nobody coming back to visit here. If this boat goes, there's nothing left in Gweedore.
A team from Queen's University Belfast is due here next week to do 3D imaging of the boat, which will help in preparing the eventual permanent structure here. And the local committee is also asking people for their ideas on what that should be. But the priority now is work to protect what's left of the boat from the winter ahead. Eileen Magner, RTE News, Gweedore.
Sports news now. Here's Claire.